Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Miriam C, and of course by the title you guys already know what we're getting into today. So this video was brought to you guys by Tinashe Hair. Thank you guys so much for collaborating with me. I love this hair so much. Like, you guys, this hair is so gorgeous. This is their deep wave texture, and I think about 16 inches, and I just wore it to the side. But yeah, it's giving so much. This hair is super pretty and the curls are so like just juicy and bouncy, and I just feel so free. Details on this unit will be left in the description bar below. Feel free to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new upload. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so this is just a quick unboxing of everything that comes inside of the package. It was packaged so nicely. They have everything you would need to install this unit, and then I just went ahead and bleached the knots on this lace, and as you guys can see, it's already giving scalp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section the hair off and cut off these ear tabs. I did want to mention that it is a 13x4 lace, but because the cap does end at a certain point behind the ears, I wasn't able to really achieve the deep side part look that I really was going for. As you guys will see later in this video, the lace is still really nice, but I just wanted to add that the 13x4, the ends are kind of like 13x2. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down my lace, and as you guys can see, I'm cutting off the perimeter. Now, one tip I always do is place the lace before the glue. This makes it easy for me to just go back in with glue and just fix up any parts that may be lifting or, you know, need more of a melt. So as you guys can see, I'm just checking for any lace that's not stuck, and then I'm going in with extra glue and just melting that in. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my elastic band and that got to be combo and lay that lace in, baby. You keep it on for about 10 minutes. That lace is stuck to your scalp. And as you guys can see, that lace is melted, honey, okay? So I decided to go with a side part, and like I was explaining to you guys earlier, you can't go too deep on the side parts because the 13x4s on the side is really a 13x2. But other than that, this hair is still really nice. I love how full this hair is. Like, it's so bouncy, it's so full and just very fluffy. But now on to the baby hair. So I like to just section off 2 parts on each side. I don't do nothing too dramatic in this video, just very simple and straight to the point. And I decided to just pluck a little bit where I'm going to place my baby hairs. So I like to separate my baby hairs and lay my lace in for another time. I do about 3 different rounds of melting my lace with an elastic band, as you guys can see, and then I go ahead and just shape my baby hairs using my baby flat iron, and I like to use the black Got To Be styling gel. This black Got To Be styling gel is a holy grail, favorite, love it, keeps the baby hairs in place, and it's not all stiff and crunchy, but very much like a lot of control. So this works really good for me. I don't really like to use mousse because I feel like it messes up the lace. Some people like to use mousse. I'm not really good with that technique, but this gel is the truth, okay? But yeah, so I just use this finger swooping method, and pretty much everything just kind of flows. As you guys can just kind of watch me and see how I'm doing it. Just kind of mimic the motions that I'm using my fingers, and then we're going to seal everything in with some Got To Be spray. So this will be my 3rd time melting in that lace, and I like to go ahead and just melt in the baby hairs as well so they can sit firm, you know, in place but not too stiff. And then I decided to just put some mousse on the hair. I did like the fluffy look, but I wanted a little bit of definition, so I went in with some Aussie Moist mousse. Any mousse really works for the most part, but I really like this mousse because it smells really good. And then I like to take my wax stick to just kind of like press out any flyaways at the top so my hair can look super flat. And now for the reveal, baby. You see what that elastic band can do. Yes, so this is exactly why I love to melt in my lace like 3 times. Like, I will literally sleep with an elastic band if I could. But yeah, so I like to go ahead and just press everything out, just make everything pretty much sharp. The baby hairs are looking nice, the hair is looking curly. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new upload. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!